Hello everybody and welcome back. This is another episode about React.js concepts and fundamentals. So today we'll try to understand how to use JavaScript XML, which is JSX. Okay, we already created our first component without JSX, like so. And we call it on our app component, which is our entry point. Okay, we'll try to understand what's the difference. We'll try to use real examples just to know more about how it works. This is the first component. We need to declare our element using React.createElement. We have a div, the null, that means that we haven't a props, and then we have another React create element, which is a heading, and this heading include the welcome, and we have another element, which is the paragraph tag that include this. This is without JavaScript, and then we return our element. Okay, let's refresh the page and see. Okay, we haven't anything. So, well, I believe we need to save in our app.jsx file, and then here it is our result. Welcome, this is without JSX. Okay, for now we try to enhance the syntax. We try to make notes and comments just to make sure to make things understandable and to illustrate all details. So the syntax here is too complex, as you see, and using JSX it will be more clean and more understandable. Okay, I'm writing those comments just to mention that we'll discover together JSX, how it works, the syntax of JSX, step by step. All concepts will be clear. So normally we'll create another. We created already another component with JavaScript. In this case, we can use the RFCE snippets or extension that can create directly our component, like so. It's so easy. Okay, so again, we can create here using based on JSX. Just we can create any heading one, welcome, and then we can create the paragraph tag, like so. This is with JavaScript JSX, sorry. Okay, like so. This is React with JSX if you want, something like that. Okay, can save and see together how it works. Normally we need to make a comment here just to mention that this syntax is too clean. Okay, syntax is too simple, sorry, like so. Clean and understandable, if you know, or easy, like so, to understand. Okay, for now we save our component, we save our changes, and yes, you can see the difference in term code, in term complexity. So let's try together to see the result. Let's call our component here on our entry point application file, like so. Save and see together how it works. Okay, congratulations, the same results, but using JavaScript XML. It's more clean, it's more easy and simple as well. So for that, we try always to use JSX in terms of React basics. It can help a lot. Thank you very much and see you next video.